When you have many plugins or scripts installed, there's a chance that some function names happen to have the same name and override each other. To avoid this problem, there is a way to restrict the scope of user-defined functions. By putting s:" in front of the function name, that function only works in the same file which the function was defined. So you don't have to worry about clashing with other functions defined in another file. Trying to call a function from outside a file would throw an error. For the mapping to call the script scoped function, you have to use SID rather than s:". Here we have two files mapping two different hello function to different keys. When you invoke the mapping, each key calls the correct hello function. When I press leader H, it prints hello in red color. When I press leader with capital H, it prints hello in light blue color. When I comment out the hello function, close Vim, and resource both files to apply the mapping again, you can still print in red, but when I press leader capital H, you cannot call the hello function anymore because it is not found in the same file.